dance is called Strummingbird. It's a 32 count, full wall, absolute beginner level line dance. We're going to start the dance with weight on our left, and to the right we're going to side touch, and to the left side touch, and a grapevine to the right with a touch. So side, behind, side with a touch. That's section 1. I'll add section 2 on and we'll put them together. Bump your hips to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, and as you do that second hip bump to the right, you flick the left up behind the right. And you go into a grapevine to the left. Side, behind, side and touch. Okay, we put all that together, that's half the dance, 2 sections. Side touch, grapevine with a touch to the right. Side, behind, side, touch. Now the hip bumps, left, right, and flick your left up behind. And then we're going to do a grapevine to the left, side, behind, side and touch. Heel struts going forward, 4 heel struts. Right heel toe, left heel toe, right heel toe, left heel toe. And the last section, 4, is double heel digs. So with the right, you dig heel, and again, dig. Tap the right back twice on the toe, toe. And then we're going to do a V-step, just stepping out with the right, out with the left, and we're going to make a quarter turn right as we step to the side, and here you have the chance to jump together if you want to. Okay, that's the end of the dance. Put all that together, and this time I'll add a little bit of the funky moves. So as you side touch, you bend your knees, you've got side and touch. Grapevine. Side, behind, side with a touch. Hip bumps, left, right flick. And grapevine, side, behind, side, touch. Now go forward on the heel struts as you bend your knees if you wish to. Heel, toe, heel, toe. Heel, toe, heel, toe. Heel digs, heel, toe, toe. Out, turn right and together. Wall 2. I'll do wall 2 with the counts. Side touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Vine, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sway. 1, 2, 3, 4 with a flick. 5, 6, 7, touch 8. Heel struts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel digs. 1, 2, toes back. 3, 4. Out for 5, out for 6, and you turn for 7, and you jump for 8. Wall 3. Side touch grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, touch 8. Sway 1, 2, 3, flick 4. 5, 6, 7, touch 8. Funky heel struts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel digs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step forward for 5. Step forward for 6. It's your V-step. Turn a quarter for 7 and jump for 8. And the last wall. 9 o'clock. Wall 4. 1, 2, side touch. Side, behind and side touch. Sway, 2, 3 and flick. Side, behind and side and touch. Heel struts. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel digs. Dig, toe. V steps for 5, 6, turn 7 and 8.